Hello, hero. Joe Smith here. Joe Smith's out cooking some of his juicy chicken legs. Nothing Joe Smith likes more than juicy chicken legs. Oh, except money and pizza and beer and hot girls and probably a few other things too. But Joe Smith really likes the juicy chicken legs. Here's how Joe Smith does them. We already got some on the grill here to show you. Been using this sauce, but just ran out of it. Had fajita chicken marinade. Been using that. That turned out real good. Made it nice and spicy. But had some leftover Chick-fil-A packets, so we use up them here. Didn't realize barbecue sauce was almost gone. Some spicy sriracha. We'll do some barbecue on top. You can use whatever you got or like, but got some white pepper. That's supposed to be one of the Colonel's secret ingredients. And garlic alpino. Also sometimes use some mesquite seasoning, maybe. Use the mesquite on like steaks and hamburgers too. Also got chipotle roasted garlic, use that sometimes. And after that, go ahead and get them all wrapped up in the foil. This will help keep the juices moisture in while they're grilling. That way they don't get dried out. And let's move some of the stuff out of the way quick. There, look how juicy that looks. Hot as freak. Don't that look yummy? Too hot, can't even pick it up. Damn, that's hot. And yeah, there you go. Nice, tender, juicy barbecue grilled chicken legs. Nice and spicy too. Too hot to even handle. Oh, everyone have a good night. It's been Joe Smith signing out.